Freezing.
It's literally snowing up there, and there's a rainbow. So that's what's up.
How are we gonna get down in 3 possibly?
Alright guys, it's 5:30 in the morning, it's pouring rain. We're gonna go hit this 14er. I'm Maria, I'm a student at Western. I'm a junior studying environment and sustainability with an emphasis in environmental management, and I'm on the trail running team. At the start of every semester, we go on team camp, and it usually takes place in Leadville. There's just a ton of open trails and beautiful 14ers, so let's see what we get up to. What's up, vlog? We just felt the first sunshine of the day at 7:30. We're actively being defrosted. It's so cold up here.
Freezing.
It's literally snowing up there, and there's a rainbow. So that's what's up. Okay, we are at the saddle of Mount Massive. It is absolutely dumping snow. The vibes are so high. And yeah, we're going up there. There's a bunch of fellow oranges up there. And yeah, we're just gonna, rock with this rock and roll lifestyle. Okay, we made it to the top. It's a little cloudy and a little cold.
It's a little bit freezing, actually.
But we made it. It's freaking sick. What I enjoy most about being a part of the team is the team culture, the community that we have. We all have this opportunity to grow together and challenge each other, and yeah, we're just one big family, so it's really awesome.